So the perfectly competitive market of carrots. So in scenario 1, suppose that bunnies are eating all of the carrots. So the ATC would increase because the farmer now has to buy more seeds. So if that were to happen, so if the ATC were to increase to the new line, which is over here, what would be the new total cost, what's the new total revenue, and what is the loss? So as you can see, the total cost is 35 because since the quantity that we're producing is 5, because that's where MR equals MC, so the new price would be 7 for the ATC. So when you multiply it out, it becomes 35. The revenue, where MR equals MC over here, so it's 5, the quantity 5, which is 25. So which means we have a loss of $10, which is this box over here. Okay, so in scenario number 2, so just like how we had the avocado revolution, carrots are now trending, so the demand increases. So in the firm, the demand would increase, which will cause the line to shift upwards. And then in the industry, the demand curve would shift to the right. So what happens to supply in the short run, and what happens to supply in the long run? So in the short run, the demand curve would shift to the right, and at this new position, both the quantity supplied and price would increase. In the long run, the price would increase so that the firm no longer operates at the break-even price, which is over here, and instead it begins to earn a profit. Okay, in scenario number 3, Farmer Joe doesn't know when his firm produces at a loss or a profit. So identify at which price a carrot firm with this supply curve would break even, operate at a profit, operate at a loss, or shut down. Okay, so you can see that we break even at price point of $30 because that would be where MR equals MC and the ATC curve is at the minimum point. At a price greater than $30, we have a profit because the ATC would be below the price point line. Between 20 and 30, there's a loss because the ATC is above that, but it's still above the minimum point of the AVC, which is our shutdown point. So if at a price lower than $30, we'd have to shut down because we wouldn't be covering our variable costs. So thank you so much. Bye.